What up, loyalty gang? Oh my goodness, y'all. I am super excited because I looked and we made 700 subscribers. Y'all, so it is a time to freaking celebrate, y'all. It's a time to celebrate. We done made 700 subscribers. That means that we are only 300 subscribers away from the 1K goal. As you guys see by the title, you know what I'm saying, we got another daily vlog diary going on, okay? So, today I am going to be taking down the Christmas decorations, y'all, because they've been up for too long. Like, they've been up for too long, y'all. Like, we at the end of January. It's about time to take the Christmas decorations down. Also, I am an artist, so I'm an artist. I'm a female rapper, you know what I'm saying, for those of y'all that don't know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop at least 2 to 3 songs of mine in the description bar. So make sure you guys look in the description bar so y'all can check those songs out. But yeah, I'm going to work on some music today, y'all. I'm actually gonna work on some music, and I'm going to try to find like some new beats for my music. I'm gonna try to find some new beats also for my YouTube videos too, because I need some new beats from like some new music for my YouTube videos. And that's pretty much what today is gonna consist of, y'all. Like, if anything else comes up throughout today, you guys will see it within the video. But as of right now, I'm about to go ahead and get started on taking these Christmas decorations down. So let's go ahead and get to that, y'all. Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know. Oh, whoa, can't do nothing. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind down, try what you say. What you say? With that way, try to find it, go crazy. See what you respectful, yeah. If I slide, but it's fine, just to press my issue, yeah. You been putting up with me long enough, it must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walking back it up, you can't let go. You said you make me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. That's time to take to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. You got to play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so. Going, turn out swaying crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge, but now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, and it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No, you said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches you. Ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Ooh la la la, it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la, it's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la, so we Hey y'all, so I am here. I just took down the Christmas decor and everything, and you know. So So I am in my room right now because Byron is still on the game. So I'm in my room, y'all, and I decided I wanted to work on some music, of course, like I told y'all earlier. So I'm gonna show y'all my little thought process and all of that stuff. I might even give y'all a little snippet of something that I may have come up with, you know, like a verse or something like that that I may have come up with, or whatever the case may be. So make sure y'all stay tuned because y'all about to see me in chocolate Barbie mode for real. So y'all, I got four different composition books, y'all, full of music, like for real. Like I could give y'all a little backstory as to how I started rapping. So like it all started really with me writing poems. You know, I was always good with words back in the day. You know, even now, I was always good with words. So I used to write poems, and I love, you know, just expressing myself through words. So my poems was my outlet of how I could get my feelings out. So that was how I got my feelings out, whether it was through love, through hurt, through whatever. So, you know, that's how it all started off with poems. And then eventually one day I just decided to turn one of my poems into a song. And it worked. Like, what the fuck? Me and my sister, we got together, and it was me and my sister. And we was young. We was so young. And like, dang, we was like middle school young. You know what I'm saying? And we really thought we was gonna be like the next big hottest thing for real. Like, you know what I'm saying? My sister did more singing than rapping. I was more rapping than singing. You know what I'm saying? So I've always saw myself as a rapper. But I did do some singing. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? So, but I ain't the best singer. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sit here and just bust a note for y'all and be like, ooh. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know, I've always been good with the rapping portion. And I don't know, it just started off with me and my sister, and we had a whole lot of songs. My mama was our manager, and we really just thought that we was gonna make it back then. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, I think we just kind of gave up because we started bringing other people into our dream. Like, it was just me and my sister. If it would have just been us, I think we could have made it. But you know, we started bringing other people into the group, and then, you know, it just started going downhill, and then we kind of just was like, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? So eventually everything just kind of went downhill after that. So nice country beat. Perfect for the down south chicks, Houston chicks. We from down south country. Let's go. Purchase your tracks today. Cause that shit was going in. Like, what the fuck? Hold on. Wait a minute. Woo, let's see what we got. Hey. Living life and get money, that's the American dream. You better Better make sure you loyal before you fuck with a queen. I got that shit that get you right, you only see your dreams. And I ain't changing for nothing, put that on everything. Been MIA cause I'm on the grind, no matter whether I go get mine, sit back and watch me take it. Cause I am convinced that this is my time, no business clear. So I walk it like I talk it. These haters is pretend and fraud. That's how I call it, yeah. Like a jet, I'm taking off. Real chick from Houston, that dirty south. I may be quiet, but I'm far from soft. Fuck with me wrong, I'm going in your mouth. Cause I ain't got no time for the drama. The only thing I got time for is racking up commas. Yeah, truth be told, I never focus. My daddy taught me the cheat code. Taught me how to grind and stack that paper. Now I'm in beast mode. Cock it back after I reload. Shining bright, we gon' see this glow. Hey, yeah, ooh, hey. The next episode, better stay tuned for the next episode. Better stay tuned for the next episode. Better stay tuned. Hey, okay. You know what I'm saying? Your girl got a little something going. It's chocolate Barbie, I'm back. Niggas waiting on that sauce, and I'm bringing that crap. Wait a minute, Lord have mercy. I wrote this, and I completely forgot about it. Okay, let's see if I can get it. Let's go. Hey. It's chocolate Barbie, I'm back. Niggas waiting on that sauce, and I'm bringing that crack. Get addicted to this shit, I'm packing hard where you lack. Have your ass sky high, matter of fact, bring the sack. I ain't playing no games, and if a bitch talking stupid, I knock her head straight up off the frame. I ride for my bitches, and they do the same. Got no time for that talking all the shit that you claim. My squad is crazy, think twice before you play me. We on that shit, so nothing that you do will faze me. That money, nigga, man, I get that shit on the daily. Now I don't care the part, this is shit that would maybe playing up. Oh, Lord. Shit. Where do I go next? Yeah, oh my goodness. I wrote this shit back in 2020. That's what's so crazy. Like, what the fuck? Y'all, so y'all done seen your girl Chocolate Barbie in her mode. Y'all done seen me doing my thing. But I am ready to end this vlog because it's time to go to bed, y'all. It's late. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. You know what I'm saying? I done had this shit going. And you know, my brain, you know, my brain's been coming up with shit. So, just make sure y'all check in the description bar for the songs that I told y'all that I'm gonna have down there for y'all. Just so y'all can have a little taste, a ski taste, you know what I'm saying, of what your girl Chocolate Barbie can do. You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to be thinking like, oh, she playing. Nope. I'm really finna show y'all. I come with it, okay? I comes with it, okay? I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all comment down below. What's y'all favorite part of the video? Tell me, what's your favorite part of the video, period? Like, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Like, y'all done watched this whole video to the end and you ain't hit the subscribe button? Something? No. You cannot come off of this video until you hit that. Just go and smash it right now. I'm gonna give you a few seconds real quick. I ain't gonna lie. Doom 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 doom. Okay, that was good. I gave y'all no time to hit that subscribe button, like, for real. Because if y'all didn't make this far into the video, clearly y'all fucks with your girl. So you might as well just hit the subscribe button so y'all could be tuned in and be notified of the next video that your girl posts. Like, for real, like, why y'all playing with me? Like, for real, stop playing. Stop playing. Anyway, I'm so happy that you guys made it to the end of this video, and We made it to 700 subscribers. Like, I'm just so happy. And it's nothing but up from here. Like, seriously, it's nothing but up from here. I'm very, very grateful and gracious for everyone who is supporting my channel. So definitely, if you subscribe and you tuning in, I love you. Like, seriously, I freaking love you. And just make sure you guys continue to tune in to your girl. And until the next video, you already know, right? What is it? Peace and love. Boom.